What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, Always in Boost, GT500, coming at you with another video, man. Like I told you in my past videos, if any of my new viewers doesn't know, I told all my viewers on my channel that anything I buy for the GT500, I would do an unboxing on. And again, as you can see, I got another package for the GT500, and I don't have to really tell y'all what it is. For all the viewers that knows that emblem, you know what that emblem is. That was a Viking Performance emblem, man. That's Viking Performance, yep. I ordered some Viking Performance shocks, and they are finally here. Let's get into this video. Let's open these bad boys up. Let's see what they look like in person. These bad boys been on back order for about a month now. But shout out to Viking Performance, because they had a crazy deal going on during Labor Day weekend. So I hope a lot of you guys was able to catch that deal like I did. To get some like this, man, it was like 15% off on these shocks. And these shocks regular price are like $280, so you do the math. You know, so let's get these bad boys out. Let's do like a little review on these bad boys and see what we got going on. I'm waiting on these for like a month. They're coming here. Okay. Show you the hardware. The other one's in the box. Get this box out of here. Don't need to hold both up. But yes, these are the Viking Performance shocks. These are the Viking Performance Crusader shocks. But I didn't even know. Shout out to Dion over at BMR Suspension. There's a lot of different options you can go with these shocks, with the Warriors or the Crusaders. These are the Crusaders. How you know the difference for a lot of guys that don't know, or a lot of viewers that don't know, the difference between the Viking Crusader shock and the Viking Warrior shock is on the Crusader shocks. If you can see right here on the Viking eyes, they are red. That's how you know these are the Crusaders. The regular Viking Warrior shocks doesn't have the red eyes on the Viking. So on this particular option I did on these are meant for 600 horsepower plus cars. From what Dion at BMR Suspension told me was, being that my car is definitely over 600 horsepower, when you go to squat the car, when you go launch and the car squats real hard, these shocks would take more abuse compared to the regular Warriors, from what he told me. So shout out to him for that information. And yeah, that's what I got. I think there's like 20 or 30 different settings I can do on these shocks. So you already know my guy Ivan Alignments. He will be taking care of my alignment work, and we'll be doing the adjustments ourselves. If any of my viewers are running either the Warriors or the Crusaders, please drop a comment below and let me know the options or settings you guys are running. You know, I'm always open to ideas, because I think with this, you know, it's gonna be one of those things of little trial and error, test and tune. You know, maybe get to a track, or maybe test out in Mexico, on the Mexico street. You know, and adjust as we go from there. So, but I'm excited, man. You know, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I mean, like I said in my previous videos, my goal is for the car to go 9s. I don't care what it is, 999, whatever. As long as the car goes 9s, and I don't want any excuses on why I could not get the car in the 9. So this is why I'm making sure I'm having, you know, whatever product I need to put on the car. So yep, here you got it, guys. The Viking Crusader shocks. The price on these, I think retail price are like $280. Like I said, I got mine off Viking Performance website during Labor Day weekend. They had a crazy sale going on, so I was able to save some money and shipping as well. But I will definitely put the link in the description below on where you can buy these bad boys and these particular models. But yeah, man, if you know anything else about these Crusaders that's meant for 600 plus horsepower cars, drop a comment also below. Definitely, man. So I'll show you the other one. Here you go. Got the red eyes right there. I think that's so dope. The red eyes, it looks mean, man. But thanks for watching the video. Hit that like, subscribe. If you guys got any questions, if you got anything that you want to share with me, if you're running these same shots on your car, please leave the comments below so I can see. We can go back and forth, and maybe there's an option that you're running I can use as well on my car. But again, thanks for coming to the video. Thanks for the support. Check you in another one. Peace.